In this example, we're going to be working with tuples in Python 3. First, let's start off by defining what a tuple is. So a tuple is much like a list, but immutable, meaning that you can't change it. Let's create a tuple that are coordinates, but instead of using square brackets like we would for a list, we're going to use parentheses. And let's give some couple of coordinates here, maybe 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's it for the tuple. Now we can access a tuple easily. Let's print that out by getting the coordinates, and just like a list, we're going to use the index 0. Okay, let's go ahead and save and run. Here we can see that 1, 2, 3 has printed out. Now if we want to print out more, because we're working with integers, we're going to have to convert them to string. Then we can concatenate. All right, and let's go ahead and save that and print or run. And now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the pair of coordinates. Now to go through all values in a tuple or traverse the tuple, we're going to use a for loop, and we're going to say for every chord in coordinates colon, we're going to print the chord. Let's go ahead and save this and run. And there we can see that 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 have printed in their own line. So that's it for tuples. They're basically lists, but immutable.